Welcome to our comprehensive overview of PNC Bank. If you're new to banking or just want a closer look at PNC Bank services, this video is for you. We'll simplify the dense terms of service and provide reliable insights into this financial institution. PNC Bank is one of the largest banks in the United States, with a history spanning over 140 years. Known for its wide array of services, PNC caters to individuals, small businesses, and corporations. With over 2,000 branches across 28 states, PNC Bank offers a broad reach to its customers. Advantages: PNC Bank offers unique products, like the virtual wallet, combining checking and savings features for better money management. Customers enjoy low or no-cost banking options with qualifying direct deposits. A wide ATM network of nearly 60,000 machines reduces transaction fees. PNC provides innovative mobile banking tools, including budgeting features and mobile check deposit. Disadvantages: monthly maintenance fees on accounts can range from $7 to $25, depending on the account type. Overdraft fees are on the higher side, costing up to $36 per occurrence. Not all areas have physical branches, which can be inconvenient for those who prefer in-person banking. Customer service ratings show room for improvement, especially for resolving complex issues. Service overview: PNC offers a variety of account types, including checking, savings, money market, and CDs. For businesses, they provide loans, merchant services, and cash management tools. Credit card options range from cashback rewards to low-interest cards. The virtual wallet feature is a standout, helping users set goals, track spending, and manage accounts effortlessly. However, it's essential to meet minimum balance requirements to avoid fees. Costs for banking services vary widely. Basic checking accounts require a minimum balance of $500 to avoid fees. Wire transfer fees are up to $40 for outgoing international transactions. To decide if PNC Bank aligns with your needs, you'll need to weigh its modern tools against potential fees. Hit the like button if this video gave you valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more straightforward reviews on financial topics.